So I'm picking my agent that we want to validate against, and we have our 5 use cases. Let's select them all, and let's run it. As the evaluation will take a few minutes, and we'll come back to this screen when the evaluation cases will be fully covered. Perfect. Okay. So we get the results from all of the 5 evaluations that we were running, and some of them actually managed to succeed. Our question actually matched our expected response. Along all of the 3 runs, we have a consistent scoring by the AI judge. At the same time, we always provide justification per each response. We actually want to understand how AI agent as a judge rates it. We run comparison on the latency, on the input and output tokens. This is also our viable metric take into consideration. This use case went super well. Does not mean that, for example, if we will run 100 repetitions, it will always respond like that. So we can always adjust the number of runs. But at first, let's focus on the cases actually failed miserably, and let's try to actually update the agent instructions or reasoning patterns to make sure it performs well. Let's take a look at the example of a policy conflict when our expected response basically is strictly defined, and we see that on a question 3, agent actually managed to follow the guidance and follow the policies. But on question number 1 and number 2, we have a lot of things to fix. Agent is giving us information, basically why the response does not fits into higher rating and what is basically the issue. Let's also take a look at the case number 3, which actually was validated at 3. This is this document conflict that we expected the agent to actually fail. We can view the trace of every single run. We can pinpoint to exact basically documents that the agent was pulling out from the database to navigate better, pinpointing the issue or understanding at which phase of the agent interaction it happened to be able to patch it and evaluate it to make sure that it's not doing the same thing again.